opening this thing anyway. Bell 30's a bitch. So anyway, a little bit, but not too much, because you're no good to me when you drink too much. Remember, I said that to you last time. Yes, yeah, make it go out straight like you did the last time. Come on, John, you're only 30, you can do it. I told her he was I told her he was fast at everything. Oh, I also, yeah, let me have it. Don't play with it, you'll go blind. I also have I give to you cards. You tell them for a good time, call Helga, yeah? Yeah. You call me tonight, yeah? What is your name?
Brett.
Oh, good, because you didn't tell me John like he did. Okay. They all tell me John. Guess what else I have for you? Do you remember what you told me you wanted more than anything else in the whole world? More than to be incredibly rich, but never have a job. You